SVA is a great place for me to work. My husband, who is also a CPA, and I have 7 children. And SVA has worked with me over the years to develop a flexible, part-time, full-time work schedule. I work full-time plus during our busy season, and I work part-time or take days off to be with my children when my clients are not as busy. SVA gives me the ability to specialize in what I like best. I primarily work with for-profit entities and manufacturers providing audit and review services. I then use my peers as a resource toolbox to provide all the services my client may need using all the knowledge and experience those professionals bring to the firm. I've been with SVA for over 15 years, and the thing I like best about my job is working in a client's office. Face-to-face meetings give me the ability to build meaningful relationships with not only key management and owners, but also other accounting, operations, and administrative personnel. This gives me a better understanding of the client and gives me background for providing meaningful internal control and accounting process recommendations for improvement.